Let me complete me.
Let him complete.
समझ रहे हो? समझ रहे हो आप? समझ रहे हो?
Listen, when people choose government hospital, like when choose government hospital, they meet Yamaraj. You know Yamaraj?
Yes.
And when people choose private, they meet God, Bhagwan.
In government hospital, if a Yamaraj comes, maybe Yamaraj can forgive also. But since in private hospital, patient will directly meet to the God.
प्यारी समझ गई.
I think who are giving birth by C-section and they are having so much.
Sir,
this is very big problem, sir.
Okay, suppose that, and I am running a government hospital. If something happen that should not happen, it will directly affect the dignity of the government. Okay, so nobody wants to tell you the reality of the government. Okay, this is the reality.
No.
After C-section, do you know the problems of that woman? She faces so many problems.
Find the
Sir,
NEET
can
exam.
you listen my point?
Yes.
Listen
Go
my
ahead.
point. They also
Yes.
crack NEET exam. Then after they do
They
MBBS.
don't.
Then after they get
They
degree,
don't
then
crack the NEET exam. They just qualify the NEET exam. They just qualify.
You don't have
They
Can you
that
listen
the-
my point, brother?
So, welcome back, everybody. Thank you so much for being the part of this session today. Your presence is presenting my presence. So, thank you for being here today. Today, we the people of Well Talk and we the people of India, today we are sitting, we are going to have an operation on today's topic that is all about hospitalization, is all about admitting people in the hospital. Somewhere or the others, doctors are the second god of ours, right? The doctors are the second god of ours. But on the other hand, there are some Bahetu doctors. There are some Behrupiya doctors. I would request them that please be a great servant of this nation so that you could be really a great god, second god for all of us guys. So they are prioritizing government hospital more because they have been experienced and they have experienced some of the things. That is why they are prioritizing that. And these self-grilled people, they are prioritizing private hospitals because they have been experienced a lot, having been into. So which point was very extreme point to raise, guys, for these people? What is the problem? I mean, if we are in private hospital and we are making money, per capita income of Indian is, I think, 24,000 rupees, right? Hello?
Yes.
We have almost, maybe I'm wrong. Dear viewers, tell me if I'm wrong. What is the per capita income of a person in India?
24,000. Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
24,000?
Yes, sir.
Hey, anybody knows? Hey Siri, what is the per capita income of Indian people?
Okay, I found this on the web for what is the per capita income of Indian people? Check it out.
I have to check it out. It will take time. So anybody has knowledge or not? No. Let's suppose 24,000 rupees. Okay? Everybody can afford the private hospital. So how can you say that we should go to government hospital?
Sir, as far as I saw, sir, in private hospital they are just looting the people.
Excuse me?
Yes, sir. Sir, they are just looting.
100% right. Plus.
Sir, they are just looting the peoples. And if as you yesterday told that said that a person who is admitted in private hospital and then attendant will go to see him, then the attendant also will return back as a patient. The patient and their
looting.
Yes, sir. The patient and their family are mentally disturbed, emotionally, financially corrupted.
Will come with 5 patients.
Yes, sir. That's all I want to say.
Why they looting the people? Because they are looting the people just because of they have to pay tax for government.
So
Listen.
Yes, sir.
And government cannot provide any medicines without taking any type of tax. taxes. When private hospital
Yeah.
pay tax, then after government give you free medicines.
No, if you talk about the medicines tax, but in private hospital they make charge more than the government
They take,
charge that.
I know.
Yeah.
Listen first of all.
Yes.
Why they charge more money? Just because of they have to pay tax to government. But in government hospital
sir.
there is no any type of
Sir,
taxes.
as
sir.
per laws,
And that's why
government.
in
No, sir. Schools, sir, as per law, schools and hospitals are non-profitable
Sir,
organizations.
first of all, listen my
Yes,
point, sir.
It is not profitable organization.
If I'm paying services, I can make money.
Sir, yes, sir. But it doesn't
Government
mean it
not
doesn't
pay
mean
their-
to you
their
have the
pockets,
right to
okay?
loot the
Government-
peoples. It doesn't mean you have to loot the peoples.
Sir, actually she said, can you have word? See, actually she said that they are charging because they are having to pay taxes. But I mean, every medicine they are just buying from somewhere, they have to pay taxes. On the other hand, a doctor has studied from Russia, maybe from Ukraine, from Georgia, from any other country. The person has studied, so he has spent crore rupees for that. Now you are saying treat me for free of cost. Are is this your mausa ka ghar? Is this your
sir,
sasural?
sir,
That you want free treatment?
And yesterday they
Of course, crore rupees they have spent actually for their study for becoming something, and now you are saying for free of cost.
Sir,
Shame on you.
yesterday they was saying that private doctors are not educated because
We are
they
not.
yesterday
We were
said,
not
sir,
saying that private
no sir listen, they also crack NEET exam, then after they take admission.
They do not crack NEET
without
exam. They
Sir,
just qualify.
listen first of
They
all.
just qualified the NEET exam, not crack the NEET exam.
Listen first of all,
There is
sir.
a huge difference between crack and qualifying the
Sir,
NEET
can
exam.
you listen my point?
Yes.
Listen
Go
my
ahead.
point. They also
Yes.
crack NEET exam. Then after they do
They
MBBS.
don't.
Then after they get
They
degree,
don't
then
crack the NEET exam. They
are
just qualify the NEET exam.
become a doctor.
They just
First of all,
qualify.
you don't have
They
sense, sir.
just qualified the NEET exam, not crack the
Sir,
NEET exam.
sir, listen.
Yeah.
Listen my point. Listen.
Suppose what is supporting in that?
Sir.
What? No, sir.
It is correlated.
There is a
Sir,
huge
sir,
difference
sir,
in
sir.
150. Sir, there is a huge difference in 150 marks and 650 marks.
I know, but some
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, they are not
There
listening.
is a,
you can understand.
Yeah.
Intention you can understand.
Yes.
Sir, first of all, listen.
Sir, we were not saying that the
Sir, they
private
are not
hospital are.
listening my point.
Sir, we are not. Sir, we were not
Can
saying
you
that
listen
the.
my point, brother?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Listen. Sir, without degree, government not give you permission to open your hospital. And how can you say they?
We were not saying that the.
Yesterday
government,
you did say,
no,
sir.
No,
You
we
should
were
listen
not
our
saying.
ear.
We were not saying. But
You were
yeah,
lying,
yeah.
sir. You
I
now.
said that the in the villages there are some quack doctors that are which are quack doctors which are running their own hospital without
Sir,
who
I
are
have
running
I have also
without
one
degree who are running their hospital without degree.
Sir, can I say my point? Please listen. Yes. Be polite. And yeah.
Sister, you
And you also say lots of people they choose government hospital, but you don't know the reality of government hospital. Lots of people they choose government hospital. Every people go government hospital. What about those people they waiting out of hospital to when their time will come and they get admit in hospital?
You have to be aware.
Because-
As I just said, yes, sir. As I said earlier, sir, there in government hospital. In government hospital, there are some apps. You should be aware. You should be aware of that. If you.
Sir, I am
Please
talking
stop,
about
please stop.
reality in this time, sir. I'm
That's
also-
why I am awareing you. I am awareing you. You
And-
don't know
and private is
about that app. I am awareing you.
Listen, sir.
Yeah,
Listen.
I am awareing. There are
Listen,
some
listen.
apps to book an appointment with through this app. So you can go and on that time on the date to consult to the doctors.
Private hospital, there is like 60 and 70% people choose private hospital
Why?
because there is cleanliness. Okay.
Yeah.
There is.
I think you should.
Listen first of all, sir. Don't interrupt.
Yeah. Okay,
And
okay.
then after there is well-educated doctors, and also there is very large. There is technology, and also there. Yeah, and there is also nurses are available every time, but in government hospital, nurses are not available every time. Some patient sleeping somewhere, and they call nurses, and nurses not listen them properly. But in private hospital, there is cleanliness, there is less people, but there is
You should visit government hospital once.
I visited,
You should,
sir, I
because
visited.
you
I
don't.
visited. You should visit in
you
private
should-
hospital,
Yeah,
sir. You should visit in
I
private
have visited.
hospital.
I have visited private hospital, and I accept, sir. I accept.
Hospital.
In private hospital, if it will happen, then government will take action on this. But listen, yes, because it belongs to the government, and all the politicians involved in that government situation. Nobody want to make the. No. There is, if listen. Suppose that I am a CM of a UP. Okay, suppose that, and I am running a government hospital. If something happen that should not happen, it will directly affect the dignity of the government. Okay, so nobody wants to tell you the reality of the government. Okay, this is the reality.
I want to share a current scenario. In just few months ago, a doctor, he was a Muslim, sir. So a Hindu patient was gone to him. So went to him. So he asked him to convert his religion. So the government took an action, and sir, he had to lay off. Sir, government had fired him and take actions according to the
It doesn't happen
constitution.
everywhere.
Why?
Not all people are as you say.
You are just saying.
You are just saying
in
just
air.
one place. You are just talking about one place in your area.
You
Okay.
are just saying.
If you will
case
see the
of
reality of
AGMU. It is a case of
brother.
It's-
Don't take the name of hospital.
Yeah. Which type of facility do you have in the government hospital?
Which facility do you want?
Yeah. Do you want? Tell me.
You want, tell.
You want.
Actually,
Which facility?
Sir, if I am talking about the facility of the government hospital, it is very bad, sir. Mismanagement. Yes, sir. For example, actually I have lots of cases. Actually, the name of the hospital, hospital. Yes, sir, there was hospital in UP. Yes,
hospital
yes, sir.
in Gorakhpur.
So there was a hospital in UP. Sir, actually the 60 plus children are die just because of lack of the oxygen. Sir, lack of the oxygen. And another side is the same hospital in this. So one woman is born. Front of the gate. She born front of the. You see birth. Yeah, front of the birth. Sir, what is the condition of the hospital, sir? She could not admit. Tell me, sir.
We don't know the reason behind that. It can be that
mismanagement. There is no doctor. There is no.
That she is late because delivery is not in our hand. If they are late during the road
Sir,
or
actually,
any type of
actually, they could. Sir, actually, they could not be. Sir, actually, they could not be admitted, sir. That's why. Sir, actually, they. No, sir.
Natural delivery. And if we come to delivery, brother, please tell me. Please tell me.
Birth is not in our hand.
Yeah.
If the time is complete,
If you are saying.
doctor can give anywhere.
And what about this Madhya Pradesh, sir? There was one child was born, and 2 rat is bitten, and he had dead, passed away. There is a facility, sir.
Government hospital.
Facility.
There is no
You can go and
internet.
check
It is man-
online data.
Baby was eaten by rat.
Yes, sir.
And baby was more.
No, sir.
I don't know that case, but
Go and search it. It's real, 100% real.
Don't question on this question.
Yeah.
As you are saying that there are so many cases in private hospital in Lucknow, I don't want to say the name as sir said.
Yeah.
Yes, XYZ hospital, and the died people, as you noted down, as a people who is dying already, and they admitted him and don't tell their relatives or their family.
Like Akshay Kumar movies or drama.
Yeah, sir.
You
Yes,
know,
absolutely,
you know.
sir. Absolutely.
You know.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir.
Drama, sir, drama always, every drama has behind.
No, ma'am. I also, Gabbar Singh, na, the
You
movie
should
name is
also
Gabbar. I have
You should also know.
In that movie,
No any type of reality, sir.
guys, listen to me. In that movie, if you play that movie, first line comes, इसमें सारी कहानी काल्पनिक है.
No, sir, here. Hello, sir. Okay. Sir,
काल्पनिक है, it means giving birth, whatever that is.
And they are making it's not only the bio.
No.
Ma'am, sir, they are not talking about reality. They are talking about the only movies and stories.
Ritika.
Sir, they don't have today. They don't have any type of point. That's what they're making it. They don't have point today.
Actually, it's a story. They are telling about that movie. It's a story of very known private hospital in Varanasi. They are doing these things. They just get. Yeah, it's happening. I saw there.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah, seriously, it happens. That's why that movie story behind that movie.
Sir,
Yeah, it's a reality.
Is it like reality?
Yeah, it's a reality.
It is not reality.
It's a reality,
ma'am.
sir. It's reality.
No. Please, sir.
It's in-
only whether.
It happens in Varanasi, a well-known hospital, private hospital.
Sir, can you read in any any type of
I'm not
news?
talking about movie. I'm saying it's a real.
No, ma'am.
Yes. You can go there. She is saying that another story that it happens like that.
Another story, man. Then you said before some time it is not reality. You only say about like you are making you watching before yesterday some movies and you came here and tell us.
I don't see any movie. I am saying the reality.
Yeah, sir. It is not reality, sir.
It is not the story because it is the reality. I don't see this.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't see movie. I did see in
Sir.
but it happens.
Sir, not in movie. In the reality, I know this because I listen by some people.
But listening is
Only listening. We are also listening in government hospitals.
Guys, Sahara Tower is no more now. Will you believe that?
How can
They can believe, sir. They can believe.
I listened by cap, sir. Sahara Tower is no more.
They can believe.
Listened people cannot be truth. Yes. Every listened thing cannot be true.
But she is, sir, I'm saying, she is saying that she saw.
Sir, only she
So
saw.
what you saw, that is, you should
Yeah.
tell what you saw.
Sir, only she saw. We are not.
And she didn't see.
Yeah, she only making.
I am from Marathi. I know this.
Huh? When a baby was born, doctor already give the date, and they should go on the time and admit. They can admit they will admit. Yeah, sir, they also should.
But there was no.
Sir, already.
Sir, as doctor,
Don't misinform here. Don't listen. First of all, a doctor cannot be a god. And like she said before some time, giving birth to a baby is not in our hand. Maybe doctor told that you have to come 1st February for delivery. Maybe agar a mother has given delivery on 26th January. What is the guarantee? It is in the hand of God. You can't do anything.
But they give like a week. They date like
To
a
1 week she will be in hospital.
sir.
The moment a mother will give birth to a baby, then she will go to the hospital. And she went and she gave birth in front of the gate just because it was not in her hand. Do you understand or not?
No anyone can do anything for this.
Nobody can do anything for this. But yes, we pay. We are sympathetic for that. We are sad for that. But it is not in our hands, sir.
And
what about that women in India? Every woman, I think, who are giving birth by C-section, and they are having so much.
Sir,
this
which
is
type-
very big problem, sir. This is not given by surgery, sir. Sir, every private hospital. This is very big thing.
government
Not
before.
you can check, sir. You can check. They can check in every private hospital, and they take so much money.
Listen.
And we are
Listen. Nobody can force you to do this or that. Everybody is doing because of a choice.
No,
okay.
no.
Okay. I cannot do this kind of operation because someone permission. Okay. Everyone is doing just because of a choice.
If my sister has a lot of pain and she has to give birth,
Yes.
so simply I'll go for the operation.
Sir, this is the...
Shame on you guys. Maybe
No,
she
sir.
can die also.
No, sir.
In normal delivery, she can die also.
No, sir, there are so many... Sir, this is
There is a possibility that she can die as well. Let her get operation from private hospital.
Sir,
Of course.
Sir, there are so many cases. If I am taking example of myself, that I always wants a normal delivery because of my health. So if I will get normal, no sir.
Normal delivery is not possible all the time. It can be risky. It depends upon the person's situation.
Then earlier time everyone give birth.
They don't have any choice. That's why they are doing this. If you have a right,
Sir.
if you have a right option, then I will go for the right option.
See, actually, we are in front of camera. It is for awareness. We should not speak anything. First of all, let me, for your kind information, dear people, I want to tell you. Earlier, so many women used to die. Guys.
Sir, but there is
Let
a
me
condition.
complete first of all. Earlier, so many people, like in ancient time, so many women used to die because of this normal delivery, guys. Nowadays, I think once in a blue moon, a girl dies. Why? Just because of this operation, guys.
Sir, in normal delivery, in normal delivery, if there any type of this situation,
much
doctor will
painful,
tell
you don't
and
know,
in
ma'am.
normal delivery,
You don't
also
know. You don't know. Too much pain because of...
I know that I see already so many people in my home, at my relatives, so many women.
In my sister also told like C-section 3 is very easy. One person
Easy.
get baby. That time
Sir,
baby
after
also
C-section,
destroy and
after
lady
C-section,
also
they
too
throw
much pain.
them like they throw them.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
you
like
don't know.
garbage, sir. Exactly like garbage. That is.
Why are you forgetting the point of ancient times? So many people used
Yes,
to
sir,
die.
that-
Sir, because of awareness, ancient time we have not the knowledge of sir C-section
But
is
that
not
time knowledge you can
Sir,
gain.
there-
Sometimes it is just God gifted. It is God gifted. First of all, may God, Bhagwan, Ishvara, Allah, Bhagwan, bless all the women in this world. Sometimes what happens that a baby is like overgrown. Do you understand overgrown?
Yes, yes.
Maybe 6 kg, maybe 5 kg. In this situation, it is impossible for having normal delivery. Now you want to force us for normal delivery? So C-section, this delivery is possible only in private hospital. Of course.
The facility of C-section in government hospital as well. We are not against the C-section. We are against that in private hospital. The doctor don't wait to normal delivery. They just say you have to go with the C-section. You have to go with the C-section. You have to go with the C-section.
Listen, when people choose government hospital, like when choose government hospital, they meet Yamraj. You know Yamraj?
Yes.
And when the private people, when people choose private, they meet God, Bhagwan.
For women, if we go for delivery in private hospital, we choose Yamraj. We choose Yamraj.
Directly to the God.
Sir, no God means, listen, sir. Like God, pray to God.
Excuse me. In government hospital, if a Yamraj comes, maybe Yamraj can forgive also. But since in private hospital, patient will directly meet to the God.
Listen, this is rhyming, that's why I speak. But the pray to God and private hospital is safe and like, okay. But in government hospital, when the patient will reach in government hospital, they like feel Yamraj will come after some time, and this is reality, sir. And sir, C-section of ma'am, listen.
If we will come to
Ma'am,
money,
listen,
no.
first of all, my point. I know you speak very well. Listen. What is my point? My point is that, ma'am, when emergency will came, the baby, what, like government doctors waiting, I have to do,
No.
I have to do normal delivery, and baby dying stomach, and it is good.
In government hospital, also the facility of C-section.
So how can you say that C-section is bad for in private
Not
hospital?
every time. Every time.
Yes, sir.
Not every time. If I am able to give birth normal delivery, by normal delivery, they force us, not by saying, they force us for the money.
Like
only.
seriously?
And sir, after C-section, do you know the problems of that woman? She faces so many problems. She can't do anything for, only not for her. She can't give, it means milk, sir, milk feeding. She is not able to feed milk by herself after C-section. And every time, if you will see the private hospital, 95%, more than 95% cases are like
Conceive the
by-
And what about 5%?
Sir, you are saying that if a baby is more than 5 kg or 2 kg, sir, there is a small operation. If a baby has weight, it means more than 3 to 5 kg, it can be we can operate by small operation, not by C-section. They treat us by the small operation, and by this we can deliver by normal delivery. There is a process, but at the same time, if the baby is 2 kg or 1 kg, they always do the C-section and they destroy the life of that woman. And we sir, there are so many problems after the delivery. Only for money, sir, they're taking 1 lakh, more than 1 lakh in a small hospital, private hospitals. And this is a very big problem. We should serve our nation.
Not every hospital happen.
We should serve our nation, and if a government hospital is good, then and it is also, we have the intention, we should serve our nation, and if they are our government provide such kinds of facilities, we should go to the private government hospital, not to private hospital. If I am not able to pay the money, then I will do anything for this. What kind of facility they are doing?
Everything for facility.
For C-section, if I have not money, then I have to do anything.
Good morning, all panelists. This is me, Anjita Emma. Today I am going to talk about government hospital. Government hospital is good because of why people go. Maximum people go to government side. Why? Because of they don't have. Because of they don't have lots of money. If I am talking about, there is one family, they don't have money, they don't have money, so they for example, there is one family, they don't have money, they get one person get disease, some disease, so they choose which hospital they choose, government hospital or private hospital. In medium family and poor family, they choose.
Money is important or a person is important? Money is important or any person health is important?
Listen to me. जब you don't have money, तो how can when you don't have money, तो how can you treat yourself?
Because in India every person has a national income, sir, 24,000.
I'm not talking about you are talking about every person. I am talking about reality and poor people and medium family. Sir, listen to me, ma'am. Let me complete me.
Let him complete.
There are 2 doctors. One doctor, government doctor, and second doctor, private doctor. But every person respect every person whose person respect more than more.
Private doctor, because of he do work well.
No, ma'am.
Get money, but
why are you
government
preparing?
doctor
Why are you preparing
also government pay money, don't need money like patient, because of private doctor don't take care patient, he don't get money, that's why.
Listen to me. That brother say कि maximum people went to the government hospital, they die. Why they people go? Why they people went government hospital because of they hope कि I don't have money, but
In my side, so many people go to private hospital because of government hospital doctor and nurse too much busy, don't care about patient. Everyone busy own life and invest time in hospital, and private doctor and nurse take care patient too much because of she need money. If she don't do work well, don't get money, no any patient come, more responsibility in private hospital.
why
As you all said, they are more responsible. Can you explain me when the situation get out of their hand, then why they sent you to the government hospital?
It's depend on patient if they will send in government hospital.
Most of you see in Lucknow, I have seen lots of cases in Lucknow in private hospital. They sent you to the medical hospital.
No, how can you say?
How can you say? I have seen. It's reality.
I have seen they are not sending in government
if-
hospital.
If we are saying, you are saying imaginary. If you are guys saying it is like reality.
Yeah, we are speaking with the
We are also speaking with the reality.
yes
We are not talking about
educated people and who is aware.
So
And many people want to go in government, not government hospital. He want to go private hospital because he know in private hospital provide more facilities and better treatment than government
hospitals
hospital.
are
That's
lifesaver.
why.
If there is no government hospital, no one will gonna save because most of the people are going to the government.
They are saved by the West Bengal's doctor. Do you know what we call that West Bengal doctors in the village?
Bengali.
Yes, and that kinds of doctor have no any type of
But
degree.
government hospital, but government hospitals
Yes,
doctor
sir.
are also working in a
But they
private
have
hospital.
not- in every village you will see that.
doctor is the best doctor.
No,
Yes, sir, exactly.
Sir,
They have knowledge.
sir, without
But he
degree,
doesn't know.
without degree, the cock doctor, they also call.
Bengali doctor is the best doctor.
No, sir.
In private hospital, if the fees of private hospital is expensive, they are doing treatment very carefully. But in government hospital, they are not doing honestly or in carefully. Because
Brother,
if you are doing if I invest money in a lot of money, we can achieve our treatment very carefully.
Of course.
Yes.
Of course.
Yes. Sir, we are talking about money affordable in government hospital. What about the people? They are spending money in marriage system, in a festival system. What about the people? We are talking. If the time is come to protect your life, that time you are thinking it will invest so much money. It is not
I
like
am
that.
talking about the cock doctors who are doing experiments on us. They always.
There are so many-
Yes.
You are talking about in our goal.
At every village there are so many cock doctors, and they have not the proper knowledge. And they if earlier I said that if you have headache, if you have stomach pain, they give the same injection. They have not the knowledge. And one other thing, let me complete. One other thing, let me complete. Let me complete. If you have any type of problem, then they will never say that I can't treat. They treated.
because they know.
Or the hospitals. We must go with the general topics between the private and government hospitals, like management, like expenses. And we people are fighting for the people like Bengali doctor and private doctor. It is not a matter of doctor, it is a matter of hospital. And it is a problem that government hospital do mismanagements. And for many of the people, it is to say that private hospitals are expensive. Yes, it is. They provide facilities, they provide a lot of sanitations, and they are at good management. So, are you having any relevant point to raise or not?
Doctor, you should check what qualification he has. It's your problem. You should check. You should be aware.
That's why we should go to the government hospital, because in government
As you
hospital,
said-
every
As you said, they don't have any
no
qualification,
any
then
type
why
of
you go
doctor you
there?
will find that they have not the degree. Every doctor the appointed in the government hospital, we can say that they are qualified because because they have degree. And
Even the
we
private
should,
hospitals
if
have
we are
degree.
going
You
to the
can see on a
hospital
big
firstly,
boards
we should check,
easily.
we should collect the information.
Without checking, even you can go to government.
How can we check that they have fake degree, they have anything?
But the government,
If you-
the government doctor don't have the fake degrees because
Listen.
the government
If you
already
listen.
checked. Yes, okay. Go
If
ahead.
you ever visit any hospital, when you check their what we call bills, you can check their boards. You can easily see what qualification they have. Okay,
but-
so you cannot say that
But
they don't
in
have a degree.
private
It's
hospital,
your
no one
problem.
go there. No one go to check their degrees.
Because they go
But
through the
in
government.
hospital,
They are the
as
private
as
people.
you are
They
saying-
have to show
as
because
you
there are
are
so
saying-
many
as you are saying
competition.
the big
They
boards-
have to show. They have to show I am the best. That's why people come to them.
No,
Okay.
as I
When you
said,
compare-
if
Suppose-
I am the MBBS doctor and I printed a board. And
Yes, because you are in the
and
business.
I printed a board and I also.
You
yes,
are
sir.
in the business, you have to show.
oncology-
Sir has to show that I am the best in this Lucknow. That's why people will come. Nobody will
but
come. Nobody will come. They have to pay the bills for
But
the people.
in
They have to pay
private hospital, the
They have to pay
people,
the salaries for the people.
before-
Okay.
before
Then
consulting
they
the
have to
doctor,
compete in the market. Okay.
before
Government people.
consulting the doctor,
Listen. Government doctor have a fixed salary. They don't need to worry about the salary. So they can sit like anyway. Okay. All the day.
Where in-
They don't need to show
in
anything.
government hospital?
But the private hospital, they have to.
No, sir.
They have
In
to show
government
themselves.
hospital,
They are in the
government
business. They are in the
hospital,
business. They are in the business. They have to show. They have to show.
because
They have to
of
show.
the
You don't have any
workload.
choice.
They have the more workload than the private hospital.
That's why you should come private hospital.
Why?
Because they have a more workload. They cannot
Yeah,
handle all the
they
people.
have the more
cannot handle.
workload.
Listen. In a city, you have seen more than 20 government hospital. No, there is only 4 to 5 government, and no, not all the people can go government hospital. You have to go private hospital.
Yeah, I have to
government hospital not have a such kind of facility. They can handle all the people. They have
Why?
a limited amount of facility. They have
Why-
a limited
why-
amount of capacity.
No.
You cannot
They
handle.
have in government hospital there are unlimited beds and unlimited facilities.
Unlimited. Who
In
said unlimited beds? Then
As
why
you
people
told,
are
they have
standing
the limited
outside the government
facilities, but
hospital?
in government in private
why they are
hospital,
saying that
there are
I have to,
unlimited
I have to
facilities.
take a long line to get into the hospital. If you are saying
As
unlimited
I
facility.
said, you have to be aware. You have to be aware.
I am
There
already
is the
aware.
appointment.
I am already
There is
aware.
a
That's why I
way
am
of
saying that.
appointment.
I am
There is a way of
already
appointment. You
aware.
have to
I
be
am already
aware to
aware.
go to
I am
the-
already
before
aware.
before
I am
going to
already
the
aware.
government hospital.
And I have also visited government hospital.
So everyone clap for both people. Yeah. Both hospitals are well and well to go. It depends on area. In city, I think every hospital is good, but in the village, private hospital is good, right? Yes. So here the result is 2, 2, 4, 5 plus you guys are getting, and here 2, 2, 2, 2, 3. 7 crore! They are winner of the day today. I wanna bow myself, guys. You spoke well, you talked well. In the last, you all are winners, guys.
Yes, sir.
Because you all spoke today. Thank you for making me feel so special today.